Today's video is I got totally fooled. I got duped. I'm a little bit sad about it. That's what happens when you shop online at like 2 in the morning when you can't sleep, okay? So I'm scrolling through Instagram and I see 2 or 3 of my favorite YouTubers using this foundation and this ad, and I'm like, oh, and it's full coverage and I want to try it. So I order it. And it's from a website. Takes me, so I learn more on the Instagram ad, takes me to a website called My Daily Cosmetics, and I definitely purchase it because why not? And this is on October 24th, okay? So I order it, they give me my email confirmation, blah, blah, blah. A bit of time goes by and I am like, where the heck is my package or my shipping confirmation or anything? So anyway, I inquire with them. I try to check my package. It has left China and arrived in LA. Don't know when it's going to be here. So fast forward, I got it finally from China Post, which I don't know. I don't know why I was thinking this was going to be a different experience. But anyway, in my head, this is not how it was going down. So I'm kind of pissed because it took almost 2 months. It took a month and a half to get my product. So I'm kind of like, don't even care about it anymore at this point, right? So you order something and you're like, woo, Amazon has made it like, I want that and I want it now. Give it to me. And so when you get something a month and a half later, it's like, meh. Don't really care anymore. However, so these are the boxes that it came in, which Phoera, I believe, maybe how it's pronounced. I have no idea. That's how I'm saying it. Soft matte long wear liquid foundation, full coverage. The boxes are nice, okay? But I thought I ordered from My Daily Cosmetics, which I'm thinking that was the brand when I was shopping. Clearly, I was wrong. Okay, so the reason I was irritated was I don't remember. Oh, when I received it, I was confused because it kept saying like My Daily Cosmetics, My Daily Cosmetics, and then when I received it, it's this Phoera, however you say it, brand. So I Googled it, and you can get it on Amazon for $3.49. Okay, and when I've seen other videos of it after I Googled it, I think you can get it on Wish for like $3 or $4, and I paid $17 a bottle. And I'm not returning it to China because the cost and time that I'm just gonna eat my $30, whatever. So that's why I'm irritated. It actually looks decent, so maybe I will enjoy it. I just probably way overpaid. Not probably. Clearly way overpaid. And that was on sale. So, always be careful. Maybe double check that, like Google something before you buy it on Instagram ads, because okay, I already know that this color is way too dark for me. What I'm going to do here is mix them up a bit, because last night at my first go it was so dark. But I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to pick up some of the sand, and let's hope this works. Oh wow. Yeah, that's pretty. This is just for experimental purposes anyway. Oh yeah, that is little too dark. I am totally a different color. Look at that neck. What are you gonna do? Nothing. Bronzer. Just bronzer down that neck. So dark. I like to go darker, but that was a whole nother level there. Let's give this another whirl. I'm gonna be bouncing it on here quickly because I tried really quickly last night.
Your reflection in my wine glass. That's when I look away. Can't stand and think about losing your fine ass. How the fuck I let you slip away? Life for the party, but I'm dead inside. Kill my vibes, it was genocide. Hard to act like I've been alive. I'm trying to find where I identify. One time for the girl that got away. 2 times for the bub I'm about to spray. 3 times for the power that I pray to. Are you up there? Can you hear me? I know I fucked up, it's clear, see. I'm 22 but I don't act like it clearly. And all this shit is a mirage. I'm just rapping for a cause. The life, the fame, the lights, the game. We break the laws, don't like to change. Wanna win you back, but I hate to lose. I know that you're the one, but it's hard to choose. Too much whiskey in my red cup. Remember first day you wouldn't give it up. We had only scratched the surface, but I knew that you were worth it. Yeah, so I was patient. I bragged to no name it. I'm still with that I came with. But everything changed once the fame hit. Make it up, take you down. Have a shot, I bought a round. Play my songs, you like the sound. It's going down, it's going down. Let's drink coffee, watch passerbys, and prove to you I'm not the average guy. It's just my flaws that they magnify. And when it's real, you don't have to try.
I said I would check in, so that is what I'm doing. I went to church, I went to my parents to eat, Big Lots, you know, run around. And it's been about 6 or 7 hours. And the makeup held up pretty well. I don't see any weird caking or separation, which sometimes foundation does. Often, actually, not sometimes, often. Yeah, I don't hate it at all. I actually think I kind of like it. Ta-da! Thank you guys for watching, and leave any comments, questions, or concerns below. And I would love to hear from you, okay? And don't forget to subscribe, because I will be posting regularly, so you don't want to miss it, because it is life-changing stuff. I'm just saying. Bye, guys.